Welcome to the Measmerize onboarding guide. In this segment, we'll walk you through the steps to integrate the Measmerize block onto your Shopify product page and tailor your Measmerize size hub to align with your store's unique aesthetic and brand identity. To begin, navigate to the Customization tab within your Measmerize app interface and select Advanced Customization. This action will redirect you to your Shopify theme editor, specifically to a product template page. At this crucial stage, verify that you've selected your store's currently active product template to ensure the size hub is added where intended. You'll notice that the Measmerize app is already pre-selected in the left-hand panel. Within the product information segment of your chosen template, click on the section icon. Then click Add Section. Click on the apps. Then select Measmerize. The Measmerize block is now successfully added to your template. For optimal user experience and conversion, we recommend positioning this block either above or below your existing size variant picker. This placement ensures maximum visibility for the call to action button. With the block in place, you can now customize the button itself. Measmerize offers unparalleled flexibility. You can select an alternative text and icon. Furthermore, you have complete control over the button shapes, alignment, and colors, including changing text colors, background colors, adding borders, or adjusting border radius. This extensive customization capability ensures your Measmerize call to action harmonizes perfectly with your page's existing design elements. Now, let's explore the customization options for the size hub itself. Upon clicking the size hub call to action, a preview of the size hub will appear. Please note that this preview displays dummy data for demonstration purposes, allowing you to visualize the layout and elements effectively. You can navigate through the different sections to preview the various pages of your size hub experience. Returning to the App Embeds section within your Shopify theme editor, you'll discover a comprehensive suite of customizable elements. Firstly, Measmerize provides 3 distinct layout themes: classic, modern, and sleek, each offering a unique visual appeal to complement your brand. Beyond these foundational layouts, you can add your brand's core visual elements directly into the size hub. This includes applying your specific brand font, defining your primary and secondary colors, and customizing button shapes. This attention to detail ensures an entirely cohesive and immersive experience for your customers, perfectly matching your store's refined look and feel. Once you have finalized your customizations, remember to save your changes within the Shopify theme editor to ensure they are published live on your store. And that's it. You have successfully integrated Measmerize onto your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.